Hello friends, welcome to HR Garden. Today I am going to show you how to grow rosemary from cutting with full update video. I am also going to give you tips on how to save dying rosemary plants. This is my rosemary plant. I've kept this plant in a place where it gets very less light. Though it's doing very well, I keep on harvesting its leaves and use while cooking. Today I am going to prune this my rosemary plant. Before pruning, I am going to sanitize my scissor properly. Whichever tool you are using, sanitize it. While pruning, always keep in mind you prune just below the node area so that you can use that part for cutting. These are the cutting which I got after pruning my plant. I am going to use this part to grow new plant. Remove the leaves from lower part. I have finished removing the leaves from the bottom of the cutting. You can see out here. So now I have separated this 4 cutting out here and rest are here. Now these are the young shoot. There is always a maximum chance of getting better result from the young cutting. So I am going to grow this separately and the rest separately. Now the removed leaves are out here. I am going to dry this leaf and going to store it. And while cooking, whenever I need, I am going to use this. To grow this rosemary cutting, I am going to use 90% of leaf compost and 10% of sand. Vegetable and spices which you are growing in your garden always grow organically. Here in this potting mixer, I am not even going to use the chemical fungicide. I have used 2 spoons of turmeric powder. I filled the pot with the potting mixture which I have shown you just now. Now I am going to place this cutting in this potting mixture with a finger only. I am going to make a hole and place this cutting out here. I have not used any rooting hormone. If you want, you can use aloe vera gel also. Since the soil was moist, I did not water this cutting. Now I am going to keep this cutting in a dry shady area and water this as soils dries up. And very soon I am going to come with the update of this. Thank you friend. Keep watching HR Garden. Hello friends, welcome back. Today, after 18 days, I am going to give you the update of my rosemary cutting. My potting mixture has dried up completely. Oh, okay. You can see the roots out here. Few roots, not much. If you are not growing this rosemary for consuming, you can use rooting hormone also. In rooting hormone you will get better result. So here also you can see the roots. Now I am not going to remove this because I will grow this rosemary in the same pot and I will give you the update of this after 1 month. I am going to grow this cutting in 1 part of sand, 1 part of compost and 1 part of garden soil. I am growing this in small poly bag so that if someone asks me, I am going to give them this plant. Rest of the cutting also I am going to grow like this only. Whichever pot you are using, make sure that your pot has lots of draining hole and your potting mixture is also well draining. One of my subscribers was asking me that his rosemary plant is drying and it is about to die. What you can do is you can remove all the dried out branches and check the condition. Is everything is dried out, nothing can be done. If some portion of the plant is still green, then you remove all the dead and dried branches and the leaves. Water it thoroughly until and unless the water comes out of the drainage hole 2 or 3 times, and keep it in a dry shady area where it gets indirect light. This is it for today, friends. Keep gardening, take care of yourself. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching HR Garden.